guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. For today's video I did this kind of green smoky eye with a more of like a grayish kind of lip. Super happy with the way this came out. This has actually been one of my favorite makeup looks in the moment. So without further ado, if you'd like to know how to get this makeup look right here, then just keep on watching. So to start off the makeup, I'm going to be taking my Soap & Glory One Heck of a Blot primer, which is very well used, and just priming my face with that. And now bringing in an old classic, I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation and just blending that in with my beauty sponge. Now to cover up any other blemishes or any extra redness that we have, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And now just to set that all into place, I'm going to be taking my Coty Airspun powder as always. Now moving on to brows, I'm going to be taking the Benefit Cup Brow just to fill them in. And now that the brows are all done, I'm going to move on to the face before doing the eyes. So I'm going to be taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer just to give my face some color. And now moving on to blush, I'm going to be taking this teeny little Tarte blush in Paaaarty, which is the shade from the Sephora birthday gift from 2017. And I'm going to be using that just to give my cheeks a little bit of color. And now I'm going to zoom you in a little bit so I can do the eyes before finishing the rest of our face. So I will see you in a second. And now that you're so close to my face, hi, I'm moving on to the eye makeup. So to start, I'm going to prime my eyelids with my Tarte Shape Tape. Now moving on to the main point of this look, which is the eyeshadow. I'm going to be taking my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to be starting with mixing these two shades right here, just as a transition shade in the crease. Now is when the color comes out to play. So now we're going to be taking this dark green shade right here and just putting that in the outer third. And this is super pigmented, so you definitely want to go more light-handed. And finally moving on to the lid, just kind of tie the whole thing together. I'm taking this sparkly green shade right here. Then just to clean up a little bit, I'm taking the transition shades from before and just putting that back throughout the crease just to make sure it's all blended. Once we are all finished with the eyeshadow, we're moving on to eyeliner. So I'm taking my Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper and just winging that out. You know, like I do. Now moving on to lashes, I'm taking these Eyelure Vlogger Series lashes in So Fancy, and I am going to put these on quickly off camera, so I will be right back. Okay, so I am actually obsessed with these lashes. They're my absolute favorites. Like, are these not gorgeous? Now to finish off the eyes and just to kind of like make the lashes kind of blend together more, I'm taking my Loreal Miss Baby Roll mascara and just, you know, coating my lashes. And now that the eyes are done, I'm going to zoom you back out so we can finish off the rest of the face. Moving on to highlight, I'm taking my NYX Strobe of Genius palette, which I am still obsessed with. And I'm mixing these two shades and just putting that on the highlights of my face. Now I'm going to finish off the look with the lips, and I'm taking the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Honeymoon. So there you have it, guys. That was this green smoky eye makeup tutorial. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below any other types of videos you would want to see from me. If you do recreate this look, I would love to see a picture of it, so please send me one if you do. My social media links will all be down below for you to go follow them. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you never miss out on an upload from me. My upload days are now every Monday, which is very exciting, and you don't want to miss out on those. So please be sure to go subscribe to the channel down below, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.